Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Owatosin. Today I'll be sharing with you the construction updates on the Lagos Arena. Lagos, the commercial hub of Nigeria and one of the fastest growing city in the world. The Lagos state government are back at it again with amazing projects. On the 24th of February 2024, the grand opening of this wonderful project was done. The arena, which is located at number 1 Bismi Street, Oniru, Lagos. The construction, which will cover a total of 25,600 square meters. This initiative was led by Pasiani Group and Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority (NSIA), an independent investment in Nigeria, performed this grand opening ceremony of the 12,000 capacity arena, which was attended by stakeholders, partners, Governor of Lagos State, and so on. This is the first of its kind in Africa, and the said arena will have the capacity of 12,000 and will be able to host various events. The multi-million-dollar project is mainly designed as a concert hall, but can also host other events such as basketball game, tennis game, boxing match, volleyball game, UFC match, weddings, show exhibitions, and so on. Upon completion, the project is set to provide 1,500 direct and indirect jobs. Along with the arena, the project also includes an hotel and parking facilities. This is how the project looks like at the moment.